8th grade science exam. Number 1. There have been 5 extinction events to date, all resulting from climatic changes. We cannot be sure why certain climatic changes occurred, but we do know that they happened. Can you put these mass extinction events in order? A. Cretaceous, Ordovician, Triassic, Permian, Devonian. B. Ordovician, Devonian, Permian, Triassic, Cretaceous. C. Devonian, Permian, Cretaceous, Ordovician, Triassic. Or D. Cretaceous, Permian, Ordovician, Devonian, Triassic. Number 2. What forces would you label at arrow B? A. Melting and cooling. B. Heat and pressure. Or C. Erosion and deposition. Number 3. What forces would you label at arrow C? A. Melting and cooling. B. Heat and pressure. Or C. Erosion and deposition. Number 4. What structure is labeled A? A. The crust. B. The mantle. C. The inner core. Or D. Outer core. Number 5. What structure is labeled B? A. The crust, B. The mantle, C. The inner core, or D. The outer core? Number 6. What structure is labeled C? A. The crust, B. The mantle, C. The inner core, or D. The outer core? Number 7. This is the movement of soil, mud, and rock due to the downward movement of wind, water, or ice. A. Weathering, B. Erosion, C. Subduction, or D. Earthquake? Number 8. This is a landform that is formed by the eruption of magma through a vent from the interior of the earth. A. Earthquake, B. Erosion, C. Weathering, or D. Volcano? Number 9. This is a geologic event that occurs when tectonic plates are displaced violently. A. Volcano. B. Earthquake. C. Subduction. Or D. Erosion. Number 10. This is the breaking down of rocks, soils, and minerals through direct contact with the Earth's atmosphere. A. Weathering. B. Erosion. C. Earthquake. Or D. Volcano. Number 11. This is a force which resists all motion. A. Force. B. Friction. C. Gravity. Or D. Newton. Number 12. This is an attractive force between any two objects due to mass. A. Friction. B. Force. C. Gravity. Or D. Newton. Number 13. This is the standard instrument metric unit of force. A. Friction. B. Force. C. Newton. Or D. Gravity. Number 14. A push or pull of any kind. A. Gravity. B. Friction. C. Force. Or D. A change of position of an object. Number 15. Any change in the speed or direction of an object's motion. A. Friction. B. Acceleration. C. Gravity. Or D. Force. Number 16. Newton's universal law of gravitation states that all objects attract each other with a force blank proportional to the product of their masses. A. Directly. B. Inversely. C. Physically. Or D. Invisibly. Number 17. All objects attract each other with a force blank proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. A. Directly, B. Inversely, C. Physically, or D. Invisibly. Number 18. A car runs into a fence and the fence dents the car. A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. Or C. Newton's third law. Number 19. Pushing your baby brother on the swing makes him go higher. A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. Or C. Newton's third law. Number 20. When riding the bumper cars, you bump into your friend and your car bounces backward. A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. Or C. Newton's third law. Number 21. F, force, equals m, mass, times acceleration, a. It's A, Newton's first law, B, Newton's second law, or C, Newton's third law. Number 22. A bottle rocket experiences a 500 Newton force to the right and 300 newtons of air resistance to the left. A. It will accelerate to the right. B. It will accelerate to the left. Or C. It will not accelerate. Number 23. A star is a large mass of blank matter held together by gravitational forces. A. Spectroscope. B. Gravity. C. Plasma. Or D. Helium. Number 24. The spectroscope demonstrated that the average star's atmosphere consists mostly of blank, 87%. A. Hydrogen. B. Helium. C. Plasma. Or D. Gravity. Number 25. The universe is blank. This means that from Earth, astronomers see that the most distant galaxies seem to be moving away much faster than those that are close by. A. Directly. B. Inversely. C. Expanding. Or D. Gravity. Number 26. When the solar system was very young, the sun was just being formed, and planets had not yet been made. The solar system was mostly gas and dust. Which statement best explains how planets formed in the early solar system? A. Planets formed from magnetism in space that interacted with light from the stars. B. Planets formed from large asteroids that had been broken apart. C. Planets formed from molten metal in volcanic eruptions. Or D. Planets formed from small amounts of debris that were attracted together because of gravity. Number 27. Evidence gathered by studying the composition and movement of distant galaxies indicates that the universe expanded rapidly from a single small point. The universe has continued to expand for over 13 billion years. Which statement is in agreement with the current understanding of the expanding universe? A. All matter and energy were contained inside the small point. B. Matter and energy came from dark areas of the universe and were attracted to the small point. C. Matter and energy fell into the small point the same way a black hole attracts matter and energy. Or D. Matter was condensed into a single point until energy was attracted to the matter from dark areas of the universe. Number 28. Obsidian is a glassy black igneous rock. A sample of obsidian is shown. Which type of rock forms in a similar manner as obsidian, but at a slower rate? A. Schist, which forms under extreme heat and pressure. B. Conglomerate, which forms when different sized sediments cement together. C. Gypsum, which forms when water evaporates and leaves behind minerals. Or D. Granite, which forms as magma cools deep underground. Number 29. The graphic shows the stages in the development of the solar system. Which statement best describes the process of the formation of the solar system? A. Gravity pulled the gas and dust together. B. A black hole pulled the gas and dust together. C. An explosion pushed the gas and dust together. Or D. Magnetism attracted the gas and dust together. Number 30. Which statement is correct regarding the dangers of volcanic eruptions in the western United States? A. There is less danger of a volcanic eruption in the near future in Salt Lake City, Utah than there is in Bend, Oregon. B. There is more danger of a volcanic eruption in the near future in San Diego, California than there is in Seattle, Washington. C. Colorado should have a stricter volcano emergency plan than Washington State has. Or D. Utah should have a stricter volcano emergency plan than California has.